Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have some pretty cool cars. 1964 Corvair Monza, right? 110?
Yes, sir.
Convertible. He also has this coupe right here. It's also a 64. And you've been collecting Mazdas for a while, huh?
12 years.
12 years.
Yeah.
Very cool. So tell us about this one.
It was just a rust bucket when I got both of them.
Yeah.
And I went through the process of refurbishing them and rebuilding them.
Yeah. Built a rotisserie, right?
Yeah, I built a rotisserie so I could spin them around and work on the bottom. And
Very cool.
it took me quite a while. I had a good time doing it, though. It's my favorite vehicle.
That's great. It's important you have fun when you do, you know?
That's it.
Beautiful straight body. What's the color called?
This is a Azure blue. It's an original Corvair color, Chevrolet color. My wife chose it out of the collection of colors.
Very cool. Azure blue. Is that a Chevelle color?
Hmm?
This rings a bell, Azure blue.
Azure blue.
Yeah.
They had Bel Airs, the old Chevy Bel Airs, and back in
Yeah.
the 60s.
Very cool.
See the motor?
Yeah. There she is.
110,
110 horse.
110 horse, flat six.
Cool.
This has been adapted with the generator. I mean the alternator.
Cool. Very nice. Makes a big difference.
Huh?
Makes a big difference.
Yeah.
It's an opposed 4-cylinder, right?
6-cylinder.
6-cylinder.
6-cylinder flat, air cooled.
Mm-hmm. Very cool. And super nice too. Does this one have an exhaust on it? Like a custom exhaust?
Dual. It's got dual exhaust on this one.
Sounds nice. Hey Rick, how long did it take you to build this one?
I worked on this for a little over 3 years.
Wow.
This particular car.
Brand new top. Love the buckets too.
Brand new black top.
Cool. Beautiful straight body too. Wow, speckled in here.
Yeah, original speckle paint.
That's great. Manual steering, manual brakes, right?
Yep.
They're so light. How much does this car weigh?
No,
A couple thousand
not even
pounds?
sure, 1,800 pounds. I think.
Very fun to drive too.
Yeah.
Rip. Love the headlights too with the teardrop.
Thank you.
That's pretty cool. Oh, they're T3s too. Very cool. Well, at least one is. Up two are. Love the matching spare too. Nice touch.
Thank you.
How many miles do you think you have on the resto?
What?
How many miles on the restoration about?
Since it's been restored?
Yeah.
20. I take them out on weekends for a short drive around town.
Yeah. Awesome.
That's why we're selling these so I can start working on the turbo.
I see the turbo there.
It's my
That's
next
a rare
project.
bird right there. Very cool. It's a spider. Cool car. I can't believe these didn't take off like they should have, you know?
Well, Ralph Nader beat him down.
Yeah.
Ralph Nader got on the bandwagon to make him look bad.
I don't know why the hell he did that. Such a cool car. Showing 31,224 miles.
That's original.
Original miles too, huh? Love the wood wheel, wood shift knob. Very nice touch. Love the ashtray on the dash. Very cool. Can you fire it up? man, sounds good. It's Monza exhaust, huh? Monza? Sounds good with the dual exhaust, you know? Dual exhaust sounds really nice.
Thank you.
Love the true spokes on this one. Those are real knockoffs. Very cool.
This was definitely a rust bucket. I got pictures of this when I got
Oh,
it.
really?
Yeah,
Very cool.
it was terrible. I painted this one myself.
Wow, looks great. Looks super nice and white.
I call it the Panda.
Hmm.
White and black.
Hmm.
It had a blue interior.
Yeah,
I switched everything over to a black interior.
yeah.
This is my favorite car. I like
It's so
this one.
pretty.
Yeah.
Love the spider though, man. Oh my god.
That's next. That's why we're selling these, to make room for that.
Yeah. They only made what, about 1,000 of these?
7,000. I
7,000.
think 7,500 and whatever.
Wow.
I got this up in Connecticut
Very cool.
for a steal. The guy didn't know what he had.
Wow, super rare.
Threw it on my trailer and ran.
I don't blame you. Man, look at this turbo motor back here. So the regular one's 110 horse and the turbo's 150?
The turbo is either 150 or 180.
180, huh?
And I have both. This is a 150,
Mm-hmm.
and I have a 180 in here that I'm going to actually put in it when I do
Wow,
it.
that's gonna be a rip.
Yeah.
Cool. I love how you have everything on the wall over here, all labeled and everything.
I got lots of stuff.
Wow.
Lots of stuff. This is all turbo here. The dashboard with the. This is a chrome dash that I'm going to put in it.
Very cool.
Yeah. We got all sorts of parts. See, the turbo has a
Attack.
and a, what do they call it? A manifold pressure.
Oh, turbo gauge.
Yeah. You know, new lights,
Yeah,
radios.
lenses, radios.
Cool, man.
Very cool. Can we buzz it around the block real quick?
Yeah.
Let's go. Man, sun's finally coming out. And this paint is beautiful. Man, this thing sounds so good. Love it. Where'd you find this one?
This was actually a fella on Long Island owned it.
Huh.
His daughter, he had like a 6-year-old daughter that just loved it.
Oh yeah, how could she
He
not?
was on the road.
Huh. That's nice. The first time I've been one of these.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Yeah, what a fun little car.
Huh?
What a fun little car.
Hey.
It's just unique, so different, you know?
The white one's got a heavy-duty boom stereo in it.
Oh, cool. Love the sound on this one with the dual exhaust. Sounds so good, you know?
I love it.
Me too. Cool. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a shout, 631-339-0399. We took about 200 pictures today, so check it out on our website. It's weebyautos.com. Maybe we can even put together a package deal on both. Thanks a lot.